Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to the Tasty Table, your go-to channel for quick, easy, and mouth-watering recipes. Today, we're diving into the art of making sandwiches because who doesn't love a good sandwich, right? Whether you're a classic PB&J fan or looking for a gourmet twist, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the foundation, the bread. Your sandwich is only as good as what holds it together. You can go with classic white, hearty whole grain, or even trendy sourdough. Feeling fancy? Try focaccia or a croissant. Toast it for that perfect crunch or leave it soft if that's your jam. Now, let's elevate your sandwich game. How about a smoked salmon and cream cheese sandwich? Spread cream cheese generously on your bread. Layer it with smoked salmon, and add a handful of arugula. Don't forget a squeeze of lemon for that zing foil. A sandwich that tastes like a 5-star brunch. Short on time but want something healthy? Try this quick grilled chicken wrap. Start with a whole grain tortilla, add hummus, shredded chicken, and pile on the veggies, cucumber, bell peppers, spinach. It's a rainbow of goodness. And for the little ones or the young at heart, how about some fun sandwich shapes? Use cookie cutters to turn a regular sandwich into stars, hearts, or even dinosaurs. Add some sprinkles or fruit slices for an extra touch of fun, perfect for lunchboxes or a creative snack. From classics to gourmet creations, sandwiches are the ultimate blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes every week. Until next time, happy sandwich making!